Hello, everyone. Welcome to Joe and Anna English Podcast. I'm Joe.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here today.
You know what? Let me ask you something simple. How's the weather where you are right now? Before we go on, if you enjoy learning English through real conversations, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow, and it helps you practice English more often.
That's a great question. Weather is something we all notice.
Exactly. We see it every day.
We feel it when we walk outside.
And that's why weather is perfect for small talk.
Yes, it's easy and friendly.
You don't need strong grammar. You don't need long sentences.
Simple English works very well.
Think about this. You meet someone new.
At work, at school, or waiting for a bus.
Sometimes it feels hard to start talking,
I see that a lot with learners.
but weather makes it easier.
Because everyone understands it.
You can say, "It's hot today."
Or, it's raining a lot.
That's all you need to start.
Then the conversation can grow.
Weather is also connected to feelings.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Yes, sunny days can feel happy.
Rainy days can feel calm or sleepy.
So when you talk about weather, you also share a little feeling.
That makes conversation more human.
In this episode, we'll help you talk about weather in English.
Slowly, clearly,
You'll learn easy phrases.
and natural reactions.
No textbook pressure.
Just friendly conversation.
Imagine we're chatting together.
Relaxed, comfortable.
By the end of this episode, starting small talk will feel easier.
So now, let's begin together. How's the weather today where you live? Write one short sentence in the comments.
You know what I noticed this morning? The weather can change our mood so fast. I looked outside and the sky told me everything.
Oh, really? I do that too.
Yes, before coffee, before messages.
Same here. The weather is the first thing I feel.
That's why talking about today's weather feels natural.
It's an easy way to start speaking.
Let's begin with very simple sentences.
Good idea. Simple is best.
You can say, "It's sunny today."
Or, it's cloudy today.
Short, clear.
Very natural.
If it's raining, you can say, "It's raining today."
Yes, no extra words needed.
You can also add a small feeling.
Like how it makes you feel.
Exactly. For example, "It's sunny today. I feel good."
Oh, I like that.
Or, "It's cold today. I feel tired."
That sounds very real.
Let's imagine a real situation. You meet someone at work in the morning.
You smile and say hello.
Then you say, "It's cold today, isn't it?"
And the other person answers, yes, very cold.
That's already a conversation.
No stress at all.
You can also ask simple questions.
Like what?
How's the weather today?
That's a good one.
Or, is it hot outside?
Easy and friendly.
Let me share a small example. Yesterday, it was rainy.
Oh? How did you feel?
I felt calm. I stayed inside and relaxed.
That sounds nice.
See? Weather and feelings go together.
Yes, that's why people like this topic.
Now think about today. Look outside or remember the sky.
How's the weather where you are right now? Is it sunny, cloudy, rainy, hot, or cold? Write one simple sentence in the comments.
Have you ever noticed this? The weather can change how you feel inside. Not just outside, inside too.
Oh, really? that's very true.
For example, when the sun is out.
I feel lighter, more awake.
Yes, sunny weather often feels happy.
I smile more on sunny days.
Now think about gray days.
They feel slow.
Exactly. You can say, it's cloudy today. I feel tired.
That sounds very natural.
Or, it's raining today. I feel calm.
I like that one.
You see, we don't only talk about weather,
We talk about feelings too.
and that makes small talk warmer.
More human.
Let's look at a simple pattern. It's weather. I feel feeling.
Very easy to remember.
For example, it's cold today. I feel sleepy.
Yes, that happens to me.
Or, it's windy today. I feel a bit nervous.
Oh, wow, that's honest.
You can also say, it makes me feel.
Like, it makes me feel relaxed.
Exactly. It makes me feel happy.
That sounds clear.
Let me share something. On rainy evenings, I feel peaceful.
Really? Why is that?
Because the sound is soft. It slows everything down.
I see. That's a nice feeling.
Now imagine you're talking to a friend.
You don't need big words.
You can just say, it's hot today. I feel tired.
And your friend understands you.
That's the goal. Connection, not perfection. Think about today's weather. Think about your feeling.
How does today's weather make you feel? Write one simple sentence in the comments.
You know what happens a lot? We meet people for a short moment. Not close friends, just people around us.
Yes, like neighbors or coworkers.
Exactly. And sometimes silence feels awkward.
Oh, yes, that quiet moment.
This is where weather small talk helps.
It saves the moment.
Think about the elevator at work.
Everyone is standing quietly.
You can smile and say, it's really hot today.
And someone answers, yes, very hot.
That's it. The ice is broken.
No pressure at all.
Or imagine waiting for a bus.
People are looking at the road.
You can say, it's cold this morning.
Someone might say, yes, winter is coming.
Now you're talking.
Small talk feels easy.
Weather also works at school.
Or at the office.
You walk in and say, did you see the rain today?
That sounds very natural.
Then the other person shares something.
Maybe a story, maybe a feeling.
You don't need to be funny.
Or interesting.
Just be real.
Simple English is enough.
Let's try a short example. You meet a coworker in the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's cloudy today.
Yes, it feels a bit sleepy.
See how easy that was?
Very easy.
You can also ask follow-up questions.
Like what?
Do you like this weather?
Oh, that's a good.
Or is it colder than yesterday?
That keeps the conversation going.
Remember, small talk is not a deep talk.
It's just a friendly moment.
Now think about your daily life, work, school, or travel.
Where can you use weather small talk today? Write one place in the comments and one simple weather sentence.
Something interesting about weather is this. People don't always like the same weather. Some love heat. Some love cold.
Yes, everyone is different.
And that's okay. We just need polite English.
Exactly. Polite words matter.
For example, maybe you don't like hot weather.
You don't want to sound negative.
So you can say, it's a bit too hot for me.
Oh, that sounds soft.
Or, I prefer cooler weather.
Very polite and clear.
You can also use, not my favorite.
Like, rainy days are not my favorite.
Yes, that sounds friendly. Let me give a small example. Yesterday was very hot.
How did you feel?
I said, it's nice, but a bit too warm for me.
That's perfect English.
You shared your feeling but stayed polite.
That's important in small talk.
Now think about cold weather.
Some people love it.
Others don't. You can say, "It's quite cold today."
Or, I don't enjoy cold mornings.
Notice the tone.
Yes, it's calm and kind.
You can also add a reason.
Like what?
I prefer warm weather because it feels relaxing.
That sounds very natural.
Or, I don't like rain because I get wet.
Simple and honest.
Let's try a short exchange. Do you like this weather?
It's okay, but I prefer sunny days.
Oh, really? I like sunny days too.
See? Easy conversation.
Remember, you don't need strong opinions.
Soft words work best.
Now think about today's weather. Do you like it or not?
How do you feel about today's weather? Write one polite sentence in the comments.
Before we say goodbye, let's take a moment to look back. You've learned many useful weather words today.
Yes, words you can use every day.
Let's review them slowly and simply. First word is weather. Weather means how the day feels outside.
For example, the weather is nice today.
Next word is sunny. Sunny means the sun is shining.
It's sunny and bright.
Rainy is another common word. Rainy means water falls from the sky.
It's rainy today.
Cloudy means the sky has many clouds.
It's cloudy this morning.
Hot and cold are very useful too.
It's hot in summer. It's cold in winter.
We also used the word feel. Feel is about your emotion or body.
I feel tired. I feel happy.
Prefer is another important word. Prefer means you like one thing more.
I prefer sunny weather.
Small talk was our main idea today. Small talk means light, friendly conversation.
Like talking about weather with people.
You practiced simple sentences.
And polite opinions.
You also learned that mistakes are okay.
Yes, speaking is more important than being perfect.
Now think about tomorrow. When you meet someone, you can talk about the weather.
Just one sentence is enough.
It's sunny today. It feels cold this morning.
That's real English.
Thank you for learning with us today. If this episode helped you, please like the video and subscribe.
It really supports the podcast.
We love helping you feel confident in English.
And we love reading your comments.
So here's your final question.
What's the weather like today where you live? And how does it make you feel? Write one short sentence in the comments.